Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and gathering evidence. Make a full backup, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging. Once done, connect to a PC and collect a dblogcat so you can see what crashes. Boot the phone into safe mode. This isolates third-party launchers. Then clear the system UI app cache or wipe the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. These actions narrow causes and prepare the device for targeted repairs without needless repetition. You now perform the core repair. Extract the current system UI APK and framework res to compare signatures and resources. If the APK is corrupted, reflash a known good build via a DB push in recovery or fastboot flash the system image. Make sure to match OS versions. Once files are in place, correct Unix permissions and restore SE Linux contexts so the system can load UI components. If resource mismatches exist, align framework res and system UI versions to prevent runtime crashes. You finish by rebooting the device normally and walking through critical flows, notifications, quick settings, lock screen, and gestures. Restore user data and launcher settings cautiously, and test any additional user profiles to confirm consistency. If you still see failures, review the collected logs for specific stack traces, revert to the prior backup, or perform a targeted factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare last known good system, UI signatures, and timestamps. Mismatched builds are a frequent hidden cause of repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.